Well, criteria to use to determine when to replace batteries. So 42% is performance decline. Now, again, performance decline, that could be, a drop in reserve capacity, meaning those batteries are getting cycled out. It could mean the batteries have been, overcharged too many times. And again, they can't hold capacity. They could be boiled out. They could be cranked out. There's a bunch of different things that mean for performance decline. But ultimately, we would hope that there is no performance decline and that you just change out the batteries every 18 months in heavy duty, 18 to 24 months. Failed diagnostic tests. So, what criteria you use to determine when to replace batteries? Well, that would mean that the battery's already failed. So you either have a dead truck on the side of the road, or something's come into the shop and it's failed the test. Only upon failure, again, in my opinion, that should be 0%. You should be constantly testing the batteries and knowing when they're installed and how long they've been run, age-based replacement, and then fleet management systems alerts. So those two, the 9% and the 2% are kind of the ones that I would lead towards.